And we've got two caps here that belong to the water bags. These are portable water bags, 1.3 gallon or 5 litre. Little carry handles on them. Lids fit on the top. I'll go put some water in them and let you know what I think of them. So let's see how they fill up. It's getting a bit heavy to hold, so I'll drop it down to that level. So we're just about full. I'll stop it there, put the lid on. And there we go. Not too bad, it stands up, which is handy, so you'll be able to store it without any dramas in the caravan or wherever you're going to put it. So overall, pretty impressed. Doesn't leak. There's a little bit of water coming out. Let's tighten it up a bit. So we've tightened it. And it doesn't leak, so that is not bad at all. That's a very handy way to carry water. Make certain you tear this piece off the lid, because otherwise you won't be able to unscrew it. And as you can see, stands there nicely. And pause, and then stands up again. So it's a freestanding unit, which is nice when it's got a bit of water in it. Very handy for camping. Yep, definitely gets a thumbs up from me, and especially since there's two of them. That gives you 10 litres of water, which is not a bad amount to carry.